Hi, today we are going to see about the multiple access systems in satellite communications. The application employ multiple access systems to allow two or more earth stations to simultaneously share the resources of the same transponder or frequency channel. These includes three familiar methods. First one is FDMA, second one is TDMA, and the third one is CDMA. Another multiple access systems called space division multiple access, that is SDMA, has been suggested in the past. In practice, SDMA is not really a multiple access method, but rather a technique to reuse frequency spectrum through multiple spot beams of the satellites. Because every satellite provides some form of frequency reuses, SDMA is an inherent feature in all applications. TDMA and FDMA requires a degree of coordination among users. FDMA users cannot transmit on the same frequency, and TDMA users can transmit on the same frequency but not at the same time. Capacity in either case can be calculated based on the total bandwidth and power available within the transponder or slice of a transponder. CDMA is unique in that multiple users transmit on the same frequency at the same time. This is allowed because the transmissions use a different code either in terms of high-speed spreading sequence or frequency coping sequence. The capacity of a CDMA network is not unlimited. However, because at some point the channel becomes overloaded by self-interference from the multiple users who occupy it. Furthermore, power level control is critical because a given CDMA carrier that is elevated in power will raise the noise level for all others carried by a like amount. Multiple access is always required in networks that involve two-way communications among multiple earth stations. The selection of the particular method depends heavily on the specific communication requirements, the types of earth stations employed, and the experience base of the provider of the technology. All three methods are now used for digital communications because this is the basis of a majority of satellite networks. The digital transformation of a signal is easier to transmit and is less susceptible to the degrading effects of the noise, distortion from amplifier and filters and interference. Once in digital form, the information can be compressed to reduce the bit rate, and forward error correction is usually provided to reduce the required carrier power even further. The specific details of multiple access, modulation and coding are often pre-selected as part of the application systems and the equipment available on a commercial off-the-shelf basis. The only significant analog application at this time is the transmission of cable TV and broadcast TV. These networks are undergoing a slow conversion to digital as well as which may in fact be complicated within a few years. The next session we are going to see about the different types of multiple access techniques. Thank you.